Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to create limited user account in Windows 11. Creating a limited user account in Windows 11 helps restrict access to certain settings and files. This is useful for shared computers or when giving someone controlled access. This guide will show you how to create a limited standard user account on your Windows PC. To begin, turn on your Windows 11 PC and make sure to log in to an administrator account. Click the Start button on the taskbar. Choose to click Settings. In the Settings window, click Accounts. Click Other Users. Under Add Other User, click Add Account. Click on I don't have this person's account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete account creation by providing username, password, and then provide security questions and click Next. After creating the account, return to the Other Users section. Find the newly created account in the list. Click the account name. Select Change Account Type. Choose Standard User from the drop-down menu. Click OK to confirm and apply the limited access settings. Tip: a standard user account cannot install apps or change system settings without administrator permission. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.